ऑलरेडी मोबिलिटी केअर 2 ॲम्ब्युलन्स तुम्ही पळयला. एक जी आमची ल्हान ॲम्ब्युलन्स आसा व्हीलचेअर स्ट्रेट अवे भितर घालपाक मेळटा. दीस इज मेंट फॉर पीपल वीथ डिसेबिलिटीज हू आर स्टक टू द व्हीलचेअर. नॉर्मल ॲम्ब्युलन्स कितें जाता, उखलून कितले त्रास 4 लोक जाय पडटा, 5 लोक जाय पडटा आनी व्हरपाक मेळना. दुसरी ॲम्ब्युलन्स आसा ती तेज्यावन व्हडली आसा आनी तितून इवन 2 व्हीलचेअर बरोबर घालून ताका हायड्रॉलीक लिफ्ट आसा. हें दुसऱ्या सिटींनी आसल्या फर्स्ट टायम तें गोंयान इंट्रोड्यूस जाता आनी म्हाका खुशी की हें दाबोलीसून जाता. मिसेस लांबा हू इज द मेन पर्सन बिहायंड दॅट, कोमोडोर पादिया एंड ऑल द अदर कलिग्स, दे सर्व सोसायटी विथ देर पॅशन. कितें तरी करपा जाय समाजा खातीर आनी रिचींग आउट टू मीन्स डिसेबल्ड पीपल, especially as against the recent Purple Fest what we had in Goa. It is something building up on that. That they really care for this type of people who otherwise are disabled. They cannot be on their own. They need a wheelchair, and moreover with the hydraulic lift, you just put them inside. So right now they may be having 2 vehicles. In future they plan to have more vehicles.
मैं दिल से कहना चाहूँगी कि अगर ऑनरेबल ट्रांसपोर्ट मिनिस्टर हमारी सहायता नहीं कर पाते तो नहीं देते, और ही वोंट हैव लिसन्ड विद बोथ with so much of dedication, we won't have been able to register this wheelchair enabled vehicle over here in Goa. As it is, Goa is a very tourism prone area. There's a lot of tourism which flows into Goa, and we have a lot of foreign clients also here. Apart from domestic clients, we have foreign tourists also. So with this initiative that he's brought forward, so I think there will be like more inflow of tourists, not only for tourism but for medical tourism also to Goa. And ये जो vehicle registered हुई है, this is the first wheelchair accessible vehicle registered in Goa, and I think it would be the first in India also. And we are very very grateful to Honorable Transport Minister Movind Godwinder ji, and the team has been really very very helpful. And वो तो सारों की एफर्ट से, मतलब मैडम ने हमारे को ड्राइवर भी अरेंज करा दिया, एंड द ड्राइवर हैज़ टू बी ट्रेन्ड ऑल्सो, बट ऑल क्वालिटी सब कुछ बैठ जाता है इफ़ द विजनरी इज सच दैट हु थिंक्स दैट दिस कैन बी डन.